Okay, this part of the video, I am like getting really excited because I went to Family Dollar late last night. Hi, Tammy Thompson. Thank you for the heads up on the stuff that I was asking you about, and Robin for all the great ideas. If you don't know those ladies, they are part of the Sophisticated Ladies Club. And make sure to go out and over and check their channel out. I'll leave their links to their channel. But nevertheless, I ran to Family Dollar and I just got back in from Family Dollar again. I found these little cute little $5 gifts. This is the little doll head, and it comes like with barrettes, a curling iron, a brush. I was going to get the real big heavy duty one for Truly, but then I said, well, she's only here maybe 3 times a year, and it would just be sitting there wasting. So I just got her this little mini one that while I'm at work, she can climb up in the bed with me and sit and play with her doll. So if you're looking for a little type of little gift ideas for maybe a neighbor or a little cousin, these are really super cute. And it comes with 15 pieces for only $5. So I got her that one. It's a big glare on there. And then next, I am super excited to show you this little deal. They have the headphones. These are all $5. And I got the LOL headphone. I found a Minnie Mouse one. And I got Paw Patrol. And lastly, Frozen 2. Now, these kids is running around with these iPads and these tablets, and they're playing all these crazy videos, and they better be playing mine, especially my nieces and my nephews. But I figured, this would be great when they're driving, in the car, and you don't have to hear all of that noise. So I picked 4 up. I'm not sure who's getting what right now, but these are going to be little stocking stuffers for my little nephews, my granddaughters, for Christmas. And I want to try to go back out and find more because I have a little neighbor next door. Maybe pick her one up. Next at Family Dollar, they had the little white Christmas tree, and it was $5. And it's really heavy. Whatever base they have on this, it feels like a rock or cement. But these are much better than that Dollar Tree. Don't get me wrong, because I have several of those little Dollar Tree trees, and you're going to be seeing those very shortly coming up on my channel. But I splurged a little bit, and I got this nice white one. Next at Family Dollar, before I knew that the Dollar Tree had the extension cords out, I ended up getting a white one. I think I paid like $2 or $3 for that, unfortunately, because I went to Dollar Tree and found them for $1. But I'm gonna keep it because right now Dollar Tree only has the green ones out, and these actually spin, so this is a little better extension cord if you're looking for the white one. Okay, and then look at this, y'all. Look how pretty that is. They had these in red, silver, and I believe gold. And they are the tree skirts for $5 with the fur and the sequins. It's like a sweater material. So I only bought one, So I'm gonna put this on, put this under my main tray. And let's see. Oh, two more things. I found these fabulous chef whiskey decanters with glasses, a 3-pack for $5, y'all. Where are you finding these type of glasses and the decanter for $5? These are nice little gifts too to give out. So I picked up 2 of these, and these are heavy. And I'm actually going to open one of these right now because I'm kind of curious to see how big it is. Oh, very nice. Look at that. Very nice size. And these are nice to go, okay, on your bar cart. And let's see with the glass. I'm only going to pour, a nice little whiskey glasses. So these are really nice. All right, so like I was saying, I got 2 of these. So hopefully if you're into something like this or want to give it for a little gift, this will be a nice little gift for $5. And you would think that you may have paid $20 or $25. And it's glass. Okay. So that is that for Family Dollar. I do have other stuff, but that is going to be for another video. So we're going to move right on into Big Lots. And once again, my friend Tammy Thompson, my sister on YouTube, told me to go over and to Big Lots because she did a massive haul. And I'm waiting to see that video, sis, or what you picked up. But nevertheless, we're going to move in and see some of the goodies that I found. Now, who wants to play cards with me? Especially spades. I thought these were so cute. Look how big they are. And these were $5. You can see Big Lots. And just a reminder, if you are military, you get 10% off at Big Lots. So it is, you know, sometimes worth to shop over there. But these would have went nice when I did my Alice in Wonderland table decor. But I got them for the kids, for us to play cards this winter recess when they're out of school. And look, I mean, this thing is bigger than my face. Oh my goodness, these are so cute. And I may go back and get another pack just to have when Miss Antoinette does Alice in Wonderland Part 3, perhaps next year. Okay. And then I found my baby, Truly Bear. She is into Frozen this year. And listen, let's see if we can get her to sing. One more time. So these were $18. I've never paid that much for $8. Well, I have probably for my mom. But this is the Frozen 2 singing Elsa. And of course this will stay here at my house. I don't know if I'm gonna let her play with it. My mom said let her play with it, and then my mom's gonna buy one just to put, you know, in our cabinet for a collection. So she'll probably play with it. So I found these 2-pack of non-stick double wall baking sheets. These were $9. And hopefully you can see the price. $9. And these things are heavy, so we're gonna be doing some serious chocolate cookies, and I can't think of that. Well, we're just gonna be making some cookies when the kids get here. And I got, you know, 2 pans, so they'll be able, one I'll have one pan and the other. Should have probably got 2 because I want my nephews to come down, but I'll figure it out. I may go back and get another one of these. And then lastly, look at this pillow. It says count your blessings. And it was $14. I've never spent $14 on a decorative pillow. But this is just all me. Count your blessings. And you know, with the blessings that we got moving into our new house, I thought this would be really cute to sit on our new furniture. And a back pillow too for me. So I am just double checking. I think that is enough. I don't know how long this video is going to be. I may have to break it up into 3 parts, but I just wanted to get on and show you all these new and fabulous Christmas decor that they are putting out. And like I said earlier in one of the videos, it is just October. So if you have extra money, you know, try to get out and try to find these awesome deals, especially the little $5 headphones for your little crazy cousins and little family members. This is going to help a lot when they're all playing and sitting down with their little iPads, and every one of them are watching different movies. Next, we're going to move into Walmart real quick. Not a big video. I'm trying to stay out of Walmart. But I'm getting ready for early Black Friday this Wednesday, November the 3rd. So this is my second trip to Walmart. I went back out this morning and I got the lights, the 100 lights. These are $2.75. So I got it in the multicolor. The clear mini whites, actually 2 packs of those, and then 1 pack of the blue. Now, previously I didn't do a video on it, but I bought a total of 4 of these, and then I bought the mini pink mini lights, but I ended up getting the green wire part, which I needed it in the white. So I'm just going to use the pink ones when I do my wreaths around my doors in the house. So if you are looking for these lights, like I said, to reiterate, I went last week and just bought 2 of the whites. I just came home, and I could tell you now, well, at my Walmart, they have almost cleared that shelf out, and it is only October. So don't wait till the last minute if you are trying to do lights for your trees or lights for outside. So with that being said, and as I always say, y'all stay blessed, and always, child, if it ain't cheap, I'm not buying it. I will see y'all in another video. Happy holidays, and I will talk to y'all later. Bye-bye.